My name is Josh from Sewer Squad.
And my name is Sirron from Sewer Squad.
So today we're going to show you guys the process of how we do UV liners without digging, same day results. This here is our UV liners, the process of how we do it. At first we always start by testing the packer, which we would inflate to 5 psi just to make sure everything works, and we test the lights as you can see. And as that happens, it inflates the packer. This is our packer. This is how we get the material down through the pipe. We spray it with the soap water to see if there's any holes. So we would actually set this up in their house. When we're getting the material onto the packer, we use the pipe lube here, which helps it slide on into the pipe. And the way we slide it onto the packer is we use this rope, in which I'll tape to the push rod, and then we physically pull it on all the way through. So here's how we put the material onto the packer. We use the rope and the pulling method.
And you're gonna go all the way down.
Once we get the material onto the packer, we fold it again, and then we wrap it with the cling wrap here. We use the cling wrap to make it as small as possible. We always put more lubricant on it just to help it slide into position. So we always hook up the rope to the end here. Once we get this in the drain, it's all cured. To pull this packer out, we use this just to pull it out. So we use this push rod, make sure it's all the way into the top there, and it just slides in nice and smooth. We always check it with the camera to make sure it's in the correct position. Once we know we're in position, we then pull out the push rod.
We just finished step 2, which is having it on 10 psi for 3 minutes. So now we're currently just about to start the pull test.
So doing the pull test, we always want to use the rope. And what we're doing is making sure that it's fully inflated and it won't go anywhere. So everything we do is step by step for the 4-inch pipe here. There's about 10 steps. Everything before the vacuum, which is step 6, is just to stretch out the material. Once you get to the 20 psi for about 5 minutes, you put the lights on for 5 minutes, you put it back in vacuum, and then we pull it out. And at this point, you could actually see the lights.
Right now, that was the UV that just finished. And I'm just going to put it into vacuum.
So once the final vacuum's done, we always pull it with the rope. For our final result, we always do an after video.
No digging, no mess, just brand new pipe inside your old one. Ready the same day.
This solution with the UV liners will be cured in minutes without any digging involved.